Team, how are you doing? Gavin here from the Growing Younger team. So today's question is going to be about fruit, okay? Now loads of people, my dad included, seem to think he avoids fruit simply because it's too much sugar, okay? Mental, I don't understand it. People are fed in the media, in the newspapers, magazines, social media, fruit has too much sugar, you should avoid fruit. It's absolutely crazy, okay? When most of these people who are following this avoid fruit advice will think nothing twice of having a beer, having a glass of wine, having 4 or 5 biscuits, a handful of chocolates, okay? But they never question the amount of sugar that is in those things, all right? Now, I'm not going to harp on in this video too long, but you've got to have some common sense around this stuff, all right? Fruit is not going to make you fat. How many people do you know that are overweight that eat lots of fruit? If you see a really overweight person, does the first thing come to your mind, they must eat a lot of fruit? It doesn't. We know it doesn't. You instinctively know, even though you've read something somewhere that sugar has too much fruit has too much sugar. You've read it, but you instinctively know that isn't bad for you, right? Now, I want to draw some comparisons for you to help you understand the reasons why having fruit in your diet is not a bad thing, all right? So let's just pick a banana, okay? Now, I've got a banana for my lunch, basically, my snack, and I eat fruit all the time because it is good for me, you know? So one banana, okay, coming from a nutrition data website, which you can look at yourself to find out what's in what. So one banana has per 100 grams has 89 calories, 12 grams of sugar, but it has 2.6 grams of fiber, okay? Now, those numbers may be meaningless to you, but what you need to understand is that if you have fiber within the fruit itself or within meals, it keeps you fuller for longer, okay? It slows down the digestion process, and the sugar in the fruit becomes a lasting energy source. So it's not like eating, it's just table sugar or a biscuit. It'd be a really simple, short, sharp sort of energy spike, all right? Now, let's compare this to one chocolate biscuit. You all like a chocolate biscuit. I like a chocolate biscuit. My dad likes chocolate biscuits, but he avoids fruit but eats chocolate biscuits. Sorry, Dad, don't mean to pick on you, but for one chocolate digestive on average is 17 grams, okay? Compared to the 100 grams of a banana, okay? 100 gram banana, 17 gram biscuit, all right? The 17 gram biscuit has 86 calories in it. 86 calories. The 100 gram banana has 89 calories in it, okay? Now, for you to feel fuller on a chocolate biscuit, you'd have to have 5 of them, all right? Well, actually 6 of them, okay? About 6 biscuits to feel as satiated as one banana. If you ate 6 digestive biscuits, which is easy to do, cup of tea, dunk them in, smack it down, 534 calories, 30 grams of sugar, okay? Now, should you avoid fruit when you're dieting or trying to lose weight? Of course not. Are you going to be able to eat 6 bananas? Probably not, okay? You probably couldn't eat 6 bananas in one sitting. And there's a reason for that, because it's full of fiber, it's full of water, it's quite satisfying. You're not going to want to eat 6 bananas, but you could eat 6 biscuits, all right? So don't avoid the fruit, avoid the biscuits, all right? Now, a lot of people, if you had 6 biscuits, you haven't got 534 calories to play with in your diet. If you're generally sedentary, if you've got a sedentary job and you're only training once per day, you haven't got wiggle room to have 500 calories from biscuits or junk or wine or whatever the snacks are, okay? So you got to think about this. Fruit isn't going to make you fat. There isn't too much sugar in fruit, and it's not going to make you overweight and cause you to gain weight. If you were to eat 6 or 8 bananas on a day, maybe we'll go over your calorie budget, all right? But ultimately, you got to think about what is the best choice in the situation. So if you're wanting a snack and you've got the choice of biscuits or fruit, then go for the fruit. Have 2 pieces of fruit if you want. Have an apple and a banana if you want. Still 200 calories, and it's not 536 calories or 34 calories, okay? So let's just kind of put this rumor to bed. You can absolutely have fruit on a healthy diet when you're trying to lose weight, and you should, okay? It's full of vitamins, full of minerals. You won't get fat if you eat fruit. You get fat with the overall excess calories from the from your diet, all right? Now, I can't make it any more sexy than it is, I'm afraid. Eat fruit, don't eat mini biscuits. Simple as that. So that's it from me, guys. Have a really good day. I don't mean to keep blasting this out, but it was a question I had, and I thought I'd cover it off. Okay. So yeah, that's it for me. Any questions? Leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you. Take care, guys. Bye bye.